Have you ever wondered what Maple Finance is? It's a fascinating concept, a decentralized corporate credit market in the world of cryptocurrency. In simpler terms, Maple Finance is like a bank, but without the middleman. It's a platform where companies can borrow and lend digital assets. This makes it an essential player in the decentralized finance, or DeFi, space. Now that we've introduced Maple Finance, you might be wondering how it works. Let's dive right in. Understanding how Maple Finance works is the key to unlocking its potential. Maple Finance is a decentralized finance platform, a world where traditional banking meets the future of finance. It operates in a step-by-step manner, rooted in the principles of borrowing and lending, and all of this happens on the Ethereum blockchain. Imagine this. You have crypto assets, and you need to borrow some stable coins. With Maple Finance, you can do precisely that. You can use your crypto assets as collateral to borrow stablecoins. It's like getting a loan against your assets, but in the digital world, eliminating the need for a middleman. But what if you're on the other side of the equation? What if you have assets and you want to earn interest on them? Well, Maple Finance caters to you too. By lending your assets on the platform, you can earn interest. It's similar to depositing money in a savings account, but with potentially higher returns. Now you might be wondering, how does all this work? That's where smart contracts come into play. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They drive the Maple Finance platform, ensuring that all transactions are secure, transparent, and efficient. So, you see, Maple Finance is a game changer in the crypto world. But why should you care? So why should you, as a crypto enthusiast or a beginner, care about Maple Finance? Well, let's delve into that. Imagine a world where corporate credit is not just a game for the big boys. That's the beauty of Maple Finance. It's a decentralized platform that brings corporate loans to the masses. It doesn't matter if you're a Wall Street tycoon or a regular Joe with a bit of spare change to invest. Maple Finance levels the playing field. But it's not just about investment opportunities, it's about financial inclusion. By making corporate credit accessible to everyone, Maple Finance fosters a more inclusive financial ecosystem. It breaks down the barriers, allowing everyone a shot at the big time. So, whether you're a crypto veteran or just dipping your toes into the world of digital currencies, Maple Finance should be on your radar. And here's why. In a nutshell, Maple Finance democratizes corporate credit, making it accessible to everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about Maple Finance. This crypto coin is a unique financial tool in the digital asset landscape. Its purpose is to offer an innovative solution for decentralized finance, working by leveraging blockchain technology. The importance of Maple Finance lies in its potential to transform traditional finance, bridging the gap between conventional banking systems and the burgeoning world of crypto. Now you know what Maple Finance is, how it works, and why it matters. The world of crypto is at your fingertips.